First of all, we added with version 6.0 a new automation wizard. And if you know the old one, you will immediately see that the new one is much more easier, much more comfortable, providing much more function. And I will quickly want to explain you why what we have just included in this new automation wizard. On the left-hand side, you have the overview of all your automation rules you have defined in this base. And currently you also have the possibility to add some folders. You can drag and drop all your rules, and you can, for sure, you can rename them. You can see what kind of status or the log of the automation rules, and you can pause the automation and delete it. So nothing new. Well, what is new is that you can create folders and that you can just move them around to get a nicer overview. And well, if you click on one of the automations, you will immediately see on the right-hand side the current trigger and action points for this automation. So that means if I click on example, I see the automation for example, and if I click on invoice extract, I see the automation steps for this automation. And then if I just click on a trigger or an action, I can see the details of this step in here. So that means if I click when a row is updated, I can see here the details of the step, and if I click on Run AI, I see the steps details of Run AI. So yeah, I would say just try out the new automation wizard. I think it will just take some minutes to get familiar to it, but as soon as you just use it once or two times, you will immediately see that this is really much more comfortable and much more handy to use than the old one.